Hello, hi, and Assalamu alaikum. So, today we are going to continue our lecture on the Great Gatsby. In the previous lecture, we summarized it and we introduced the characters of it. In this lecture, we are going to talk about the concept of American Dream in the Great Gatsby. As we know that this novel is written by Francis Scott Fitzgerald in 1925, and it is about American Dream and how a man named Gatsby tries to achieve it. Gatsby, who starts his career as a normal person, he becomes rich through illegal activities, and he dreams of living a luxurious life like the elite class, the bourgeois, the upper class. But this American dream that is made by the rich people, it causes problems and unfairness in the 1920s. Gatsby is fascinated by the rich lifestyle, and in order to follow that dream, he gives big parties to impress Daisy, the girl he loves and the girl he sees as the symbol of his American dream. But this dream, based on untrue ideas of fairness and equality, which American Dream actually talks about, is all about getting rich and moving up socially. So, despite Gatsby being rich, his background stops him from being fully accepted by the upper class. Fitzgerald shows the conflict between the working and the rich class. The rich class want to control the economy, making workers with low salaries, with low wages, like Gatsby, to move to big cities like New York because they believe in the promises of the American dream. But this American dream becomes a tool for the rich, and it helps them stay rich and wealthy by chasing material things. The immigrants, they face mistreatment, loneliness, and racism. And it shows that the promise of fairness from the American dream is not true. This novel reflects the 1920s with Jay's, the Jay's age, actually lots of money and parties, but also with bad morals and illegal things. Gatsby's illegal actions and lack of morals show how something that is considered right and wrong is changing. The young working class generation that is influenced by the American dream, they dream of a better life. They move to cities after World War I and the economic crash. But the novel shows that their dreams don't match the difficult reality, and it reveals unfairness and racism. So this Great Gatsby shows that the American dream only serves the interest of the rich and the elite class and the bourgeois. Um, and if anybody tries to get rich and moves up socially, so it will lead to conflicts, bad morals, and there will be a clear separation between the social classes, um, and it depicts that the promises of the American dream are not true. Thank you very much. Take a very good care of yourselves. See you when I see you next. Good luck. Goodbye.